Hey there, I'm Kelly Ackley. I'm here today at 14 Baywood Drive in Palm Harbor. I want to introduce this house to you in this neighborhood. Stay tuned. From the moment you walk in this front door, you're going to see these beautiful wood floors, wide open spaces, high ceilings in this craftsman style home. What I love so much, this kitchen is open to the great room. You've got quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and this really cool Lazy Susan. At the top of this beautiful staircase is the primary suite. Entire third level is yours. Bedroom, bathroom, closet. Bathroom is like a spa. You've got quartz countertops, freestanding tub, frameless glass shower doors. It's your own retreat. Everyone else's rooms are downstairs. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2 full updated baths, and the laundry room. Now downstairs, we've got this flex space, plenty of room for pool table, yoga room, exercise room, whatever you choose because it's air conditioned. We also have this little room off the garage, which I would use as a captain's room. Park your boat right outside because it's allowed here. The end of the street is a boat ramp that only this neighborhood is allowed to use. And this boat ramp takes you directly to the Gulf with 0 bridges for $180 a year for an optional HOA. So whether you're in the pool, you're on the boat, you're on the balcony, or you're just driving a golf cart through these streets, Baywood Village is ready to become your new home. Thank you so much for touring this amazing home with me and where the location sits. I told you it was incredible. My name is Kelly Ackley. Again, the address is 14 Baywood Drive, Palm Harbor, Florida. My phone number is 727-515-6504. Give me a call.